All right, guys, so last week we practiced dividing really just 2 digits by 1 digit. So this week we're going to get into dividing by 3 digits and 4 digits, which is easier than you think. So I know it looks really hard, but we're going to follow the very same similar steps as we did for wide division by 2 digit numbers. So let's say I have 127 total pieces, and I want to know how many groups of 5 can I make out of all of these pieces. Well, if I do my multiplication chart, right, I don't want to do groups of 5 all the way to 127, right? That would take me forever. But I can still write them down and they will still help me solve this problem when I use wide division here. I'm going to go to 9, right? Because 10 would be 50. So if I do this, I only went to 10 and I got to only 50 pieces. I don't want to keep going to all the way 127 pieces. So I'm going to break the number apart and use wide division here. So I'm going to make groups of 5 and I'm going to do 127. So just like when I did wide division with 2 numbers, it's the same thing. I'm going to spread out all 3. So let's just look at this first number. So if I have just one piece, one little piece, could I make a group of 5? Well, here's one little dot. Can I make a group of 5 out of one little dot? No, I can make 0 groups, right? So 0 groups of 5 would be 0. So this one, I'm going to take and move it to the 2 and make a 12. All right, so now if I had 12 pieces, how many groups of 5 could I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, let's look. How many groups of 5 can I make with these 12 pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 2 groups. I've got 2 pieces left over. Or look here at our multiplication chart. Right? One group would be 5, 2 groups, I would use 10. Can I make 3 groups? No, because to make 3 groups, I would need 15 pieces and I only have 12. So the most number of groups I can make with 12 pieces is 2. So I can make 2 groups. If I made 2 groups of 5, that would be 10 pieces. So let's take away those 10 pieces. And I have 2 pieces left over. That's those right there. All right, let's take those 2 and drag them over to the last number. So now I have 27. How many groups of 5 can I make with 27 pieces? Let's look at our T-chart here. Well, I can make 1 group. I can make 2 groups. That would need 10 pieces. I can make 3 groups. That would be 15 pieces. I can make 4 groups, right? That would be 20 pieces. Could I make 5 groups? I've got 27 pieces, and to make 5 groups, I would need 25. I've got enough for that. How about 6 groups? To make 6 groups, I would need 30 pieces, but I only have 27. Is that enough? No, that's not enough. 27 is less than 30, so I know I can't make 6 groups. The most number of groups I can make would be 5 groups. If I made 5 groups of 5, that would be 25 pieces. And how many leftover pieces do I have? So 27 minus 25 is 2, and there's nowhere else for me to bring this over, so this is our remainder. So our answers right here at the top, we have 25, remainder 2. Let's try another one. Let me get it ready. Okay, here's our second problem. We have 376 total, and I want to put them in groups of 7. Well, let's list off my groups of 7. One group of 7 would need 7 pieces. 2 groups of 7, you would need 14. 3 groups of 7, 21. 4 groups of 7, 28. 5 groups of 7, 35. 6 groups of 7, 42. 7 groups of 7, 49. 8 groups of 7, 56. 9 groups of 7, 63, 10 groups of 7, 70, right? I don't want to keep going with my t-chart all the way to 376. So I'm going to use y division to help me out here. So I'm going to spread them out, 376, and I'm going to make groups of 7. So again, I'm just going to take a look at the first number at a time. So just look at the number 3 here. So if I had 3 pieces, could I make a group of 7 out of these 3 pieces? No, right? I can't because I only have 3 pieces. I can't make a group of 7 if I only have 3 pieces. All right, so if I do 0 groups of 7, I'm going to subtract 0 because I need to move this 3 over to this next number. So now I have 37 pieces. Well, if I have 37 pieces, what's the most number of groups that I can make with 37 pieces? I can make one group that would cost 7 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at 5 and 6. So could I make 6 groups of 7? To do that, I would need 42 pieces. And I don't have 42 pieces. I only have 37 pieces. So the most number that I could make would be this one, 5 groups. Now if I made 5 groups of 7, 5 times 7 is 35. So if I made 5 groups of 7, how many pieces would be left over? 37 minus 35 is how much? 2. So I'm going to take this 2 and drag it to the next number. So now I have 26. Let's look at my groups of 7 to see how many groups of 7 I could make if I had 26 pieces. Could I make 4 groups of 7 with 26 pieces? Why or why not? So the answer is no, you can't, because to make 4 groups of 7, you would need 28 total pieces, and you only have 26. You're short 2. You don't have enough. If you had 2 more, you could, but you don't have that much. So you do not have enough. So I know I can't make group of 4, but I can make 3 groups of 7. So if I make 3 groups of 7, how many pieces would I have left over? I would subtract my 21 and realize that I have 5 left over. Now there's nothing left for me to drag this to, so I know this is our remainder. So 376 divided by 7 is 53, remainder 5. All right, you are going to try one by yourself. Let me get it ready for you. Okay, here's your problem. So you're going to pause this and try to work this out on your own paper. So you have 286 divided by 5. So I've made our multiples of 5, and you have 285 divided by 5. So go one at a time and see if you can do it. So pause it right now and solve it, and then I will solve it for you here in a second. Okay, let's solve this problem. So if I just have 2, can I make a group of 5 with just 2? No, I cannot. So 0 groups of 5 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. I need to drag this 2 up. So now I'm looking at 28. How many groups of 5 can I make with 28? Well, I can't make 6 because that would be 30. So I know I could make 5 groups. So the 5 goes up top. And let's see how many pieces we had left over. So 28 minus 25 is 3. Drag the 3. Let's bring it up. Oh, sorry, this is supposed to be a 6, isn't it? 286. So now I have 36. How many groups of 5 can I make with 36 pieces? Look right here. I can't make 8 because that would be 40. So I could make a total of 7. 7 times 5 is 35. Let's subtract 36 minus 35 is 1. There's nowhere left for me to bring it over to. So we have a remainder of 1. So the answer, 286, is 57, remainder 1.